Good morning. Time for a little project. I go upstairs, up to the roof and change out this vent thing. As you can see, I've made my roof a little more user-friendly. And that's the thing we got to swap out there. This thing just doesn't work. The wind blows back into it more than the fan can blow out of it. So I'm hoping this one, the wind will blow across it and draw air out. And I gotta go down and get some electricity up here. Okay, power up. I made safety glasses out of a diving mask. The safety glasses, I didn't like them. So I cut all sorts of holes in here to vent it. And works pretty decently. We're using the side grinder. So, get the earmuffs on. We have to get my crimper and crimp this a bit and get it in there. And also we have to get some sealant put around this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with caulk gun and caulk and my crimpers. Okay, so here's our thing. And we gotta see this crimp. We gotta put some crimps in this end so I can get it into here. Okay, crimped. Okay, nice and crimped. And in here, okay. And we got this adapter open here so that I can get my lid here straight up and down. Okay, so that'll give me a crosswind, which will draw out one side as much as it blows in the other. Okay. We're going to have to just start caulking the hell out of everything here. I made cuts I shouldn't have. I didn't know what the interior of this was. All the side cuts that I did in the first place shouldn't have happened. I didn't know that. Okay. Okay. Let's go right there. There. There you go. And what I will do is I will come back here in a few days when I get the material, and I'll coat this thing with rubber roof coat, and from top to bottom, to both protect it from corrosion. This is galvy metal here, and you notice that's hardly unrusted. Down here you can see it real good. So I'll coat that whole thing with roof coat, and I won't put another layer on this wood anyway, and get that all fixed up. This should work better as a vent. So there you go, from the roof. How about a view? Happy day to you.